home buyers are tired of renting and are buying homes. It's Friday, August 18th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. 16% of those first-time home buyers report difficulty in finding the right home based on home prices and lack of inventory. Competitive bidding continues. Baltimore area inventory is off 38.7% from last year and home prices are up 2.9%. Maryland suburbs listing inventory is down 34.1% from last year and prices are up 7.5%. Southern Maryland home inventory is also down 32.3% from last year, and prices have only tipped downwards 1.2%. The Maryland Mountain area inventory declined 24.5% from last year, while the cost to purchase there rose 6.3%. There is some good news. Maryland has 1,019 homes coming to the market, a bit up from last week. 1,557 new properties came to the market since last report, pushing inventory up a good bit. But more homes went under contract in under 14 days median. The past week, 624 went under contract and 895 went pending, both higher than last week. 1,176 sold at 100% list to sold ratio in 8 days. The highest priced home to sell was this home in Potomac for $3,700,000. Rentals rose again this week to $2,153 at $2,400 per month and leasing in a steady 17 days from hitting the market. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, August 18th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a super weekend, and I won't see you next Friday because I will be at a real estate conference, but I'll see you the week after. Have a good one.